Hey, I'm Julia, manager of Apollo Screen and Shade here in Las Vegas. We just wrapped up a really nice Athena installation right here in Green Valley, and this one is a great example of what this screen can do. The Athena is our motorized side-to-side screen. So instead of rolling up and down like a shade, it slides horizontally, just like a door. Hit the button and it glides completely open. Hit it again and it locks in tight across the entire opening. No gaps, no slack, and it moves fast enough that it's actually practical to use every single day. What I love about this one is how clean it looks when it's tucked away. You walk into the room and you'd never know there's a screen there at all. And when it's closed, it's solid, pets can push on it, kids can bump into it, it holds. Apollo measures, manufactures, and installs every Athena ourselves. No middlemen, no third party crews, just our team, start to finish. And that means if you ever need us, you're calling the same people who built it. Come see us at our Henderson showroom at 900 Wigwam Parkway, Suite 135. Give us a call at 702 517 5549 or visit apolloscreen.com Las Vegas.